Hello children, today we are going to learn about simple past tense. Simple past tense. It describes actions and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. It tells about us the actions which has been finished in the past, started and end in the past. Let us have a look on this example. She read the book last Sunday. So she started reading the book and she has finished reading the book last Sunday. So the action started and it has been finished also. Let us see some more examples. She played volleyball last Saturday. I went to the market. Sarah lived in Lahore for 5 years. Now let us learn the structure for affirmative sentences. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. Here subject is I and second form of verb of take is took. Object is tea. I took tea. Now let us see some more examples where we are using the same structure. It stopped raining. So you can see here stopped is the second form of verb. They invited their friends. Again invited is second form of verb. She walked to school. They watched a film. Juniors arranged a farewell party for the seniors. I wrote a letter. You solved a sum. So in all these sentences you can see that we have followed the structure of the simple past tense. Now let us know about the past tense time expressions. Past tense time expressions are words or phrases in sentences that indicates when the action occurred. Examples: yesterday, last night, last week, 10 minutes ago, 5 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 7 years ago, 4 months ago. So you can see I ate pizza yesterday. So these kind of time expressions we are using. Now see some more examples with time expressions. I worked hard last weekend. I went to Paris last July. I went the beach last Sunday. I bought a new pen yesterday. So here you can see we have used time expressions like last weekend, last July, last Sunday, yesterday. English has two types of verbs in the past tense, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Do you know about regular and irregular verbs in past tense? Most of the verbs are regular verbs. Regular verbs are those whose past tense and past participles are formed by adding a d or ed to the end of the verb. To roll is a good example of a regular verb. Roll, rolled, rolled. Jump, jumped, jumped. You can see here some more verbs by adding ed or d. Needed, posted, shouted, talked, walked, played, asked. Now adding d. Moved, loved, closed, danced, arrived. Now comes irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are common verbs in the English language that do not follow the simple system of adding d or ed to the end of the word to form the past tense. That means the spellings can be a little tricky. Some irregular verbs follow patterns such as drink, drank, spring, sprang, know, knew, blow, blew, eat, ate, but we can't use those patterns with predictability. Unfortunately, learning irregular verbs means memorization. We have to learn irregular verbs and we have to learn them again and again so that we will remember them. Some of the irregular verbs are go, went, do, did, say, said, see, saw, eat, ate, drive, drove, make, made, drink, drank. Now let us have a look on the structure of negative sentences. Negative simple past sentences. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Whenever we are using did, we will use first form of the verb. Like Aisha did not help me. So Aisha here is subject and did not we have used. Verb first form is help and object is me. Now let us have a look over example of negative sentences. I did not want to learn English. You did not listen to music yesterday. We did not live in Karachi 2 years ago. The dog did not bark often. She did not buy a new dress this weekend for the party. Now we will learn negative sentences with time expressions. I did not live in flat during my last summer holidays. I did not go to Karachi last July. So here time expressions are last summer holidays and last July. Now structure for interrogative sentences. Did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Did Aisha help me? Let us know some more examples of interrogative sentences. Did he work yesterday? Did she see him last night? Did you go to the supermarket? Did she play football? Did you live in Lahore? Did you want to learn English? If a regular verb ends in a consonant and y, or if the final syllable of a regular verb ends in this way, change the y to I and then add ed. You can see here, apply. It is ending by y, so we are removing y and we are using ied. Bury. Again we are removing y and we are using ied. Cry. Removing y using ied. Cried. Copy. Again removing y, ied. Defy. Defied. Fry. Fried. Falsify. Falsified. Hurry. Hurried. Modify. Modified. Pity. Pitied. Qualify. Qualified. Reply. Replied. Spy. Spied. Supply. Supplied. Try. Tried. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you, children.